Hello, guys, good morning. Today we shall discuss some basics of ethics. Before getting into it, let us see one quote of the day. Your genius take you to heights, but whether you stay there depends on your character. It is given by Einstein. Let us see what is character here. The individual self is reflected through character. Character, which is largely depends on the society's action. This character will give rise to a conduct which is stable more or less, and because of which we'll be having a behavior depending on the situation which is dynamic. So for the self, it is important to be confident so that it reflects on our character, and thereby our conduct gets a shape, and thereby we'll be getting a good behavior. If a person is selfless, he is considered as person with good character. Why this is so? Now we shall see the difference between character and values. Character is inner quality of a person reflected through his or her conduct or behavior. How these qualities are ingrained in the person. It may be inborn or inculcated. It is built over a period of time, and these mere possession of values does not suffice, because character is something which is a stable trait which does not change frequently, whereas values depends on society to society. For example, in the positive side of character, helping nature, civic sense, being humble are considered to be positive. In helping nature, husband helping a wife in household chores. Civic sense is not honking unnecessarily when passing through school. You can collect these kind of simple examples for this character. And in the negative sense, being arrogant, dishonest, self-centered, unfriendly, quarrelsome. What are values? Values are enduring qualities or standards of behavior which guide the human conduct. How these are acquired? They are majorly acquired through socialization, education, knowledge, and also experiences in life. These will change according to the person's awareness, experiences, and require amount of time and space. For example, truth, love, caring, peace, responsibility, justice, fairness, honesty. These are considered to be values that can be possessed by a person. And for example, a person with strong commitment to values reflects strong character, while who compromises values has weak character. This is a major link between character and values. I hope you have understood this. Now we shall see the difference between behavior and conduct. Behavior is reflection of attitude, perceptions of a person towards object at a particular time. It can be stable or unstable. It can help in predicting conduct of a person. It can be both formal and informal connotation. For example, being respectful, humble, treating others well are examples of behavior. Let's see what is conduct. It is action of a person over the period of time while dealing with an object or and situation. It is relatively more stable, relatively with behavior. Helps in predicting character of a person. Okay, this is the connection between conduct and character. You should see. It is conduct is a formal term. You know, you will be getting a conduct certificate from your education institute at the end of your graduation or schooling, right? That is more of a formal way. It is a formal term. Okay, this is for today, guys. Let us tomorrow see what is morality and values, the link between values and morality, and next values and virtues. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed the session. Thank you so much.